No.
Not strong,
Yes.
deep roots. This one, take it up or find out where is new ingredient. Where is new ingredient, so then the petrol is just cut down.
Okay.
And we don't need too fine. Need still rough and big pieces because keep crunchy.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Everyone can do a little bit. Garlic and chili, number 1. Number 2, long bean.
Ça c'est pour quelle recette?
Salade de papaye.
That's the way I do it. Salad.
On top of the long bean, only
Okay.
a little bit more. Just break, break the long bean.
Let's break the long bean.
ค่ะ more on top of long bean. Peanuts and dry shrimp, yeah.
Peanuts and dry shrimp.
On top of the peanuts, dry shrimp too hard and small.
Try and get the peanuts. It's quite hard just to get the finger off.
Not for me.
Right now, just squeeze it, just squeeze. Squeeze it. More.
You getting all this? See how I'm squeezing all that? Yeah.
You do
That's the
it
way
very
to do it.
well.
Thank you. Thank you. It's all in my book, my afterwards.
Can I buy your book?
Yeah. I'll sign you a copy as well.
Okay, everyone. Taste then.
We're
Taste,
doing tasting.
Taste. Là, j'ai perdu ma cuillère.
taste it.
Ma cuillère. That's my spoon.
Yeah. Oh, that's lovely.
That's my
Fantastic.
C'est bon.
Come here.
It's got a kick to it afterwards as well.
Ah,
C'est fort?
Lovely.
lovely.
That's delicious.
Yeah?
And papaya.
Yeah. What flavour then?
So right now, we put the pencil down here, look. Down here, down here. Need the spoon. Look.
Okay. Salade de papaye.
Yeah.
Taste, please.
Stew everything for 2 hours.
Not spicy now.
It's spicy,
But good spice.
good.
Two?
No, good.
No, perfect.
Perfect.
Okay.
Wow.
Sit down.